Hello everyone. In today's class, we'll be solving simultaneous equation using the elimination method. Okay. So how do we go about this method? The idea behind the elimination method is to make sure that we have the same coefficients either from x or y, okay, and eliminate it and solve for one letter, okay. So when we get the letter, we can now substitute it and get the value for the other letter. Okay, what am I saying? Let's say this is equation 1, equation 2, solution. So when we look at this equation, we look at this, let us start with y. We observe that the coefficient of y in the first equation is 2. The coefficient of y in the second equation is minus 3 and 2. So we want to make this to be equal. So what do we do first? Let us look for the LCM of 2 and 3. That should be 6. Okay. Okay, so to make this to be 6, I have to multiply all this equation, okay, everything here, with a number that will make this to be 6. And I have to do that same here with something that will make this to be 6. So to make this to be 6, I have to multiply this equation by 3. So I have 3 into 3x plus 2y equals 7. Okay, so this will give me 3 times 3 is 9x plus 3 times 2y is 6y equals 3 times 7 is 21, which is I've transformed everything here into this. So for the second equation, I have this to be 5x minus 3y equals to 37. So I'm multiplying everything by 2. Okay, to make this to be 6, I have to multiply everything by 2. So 2 times 5 is 10x. Okay, minus times 3 is 6y equals, when you multiply this together, you should be having 2 times 7 is 14, 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1, I should be having 74. So the result of this is this, the result of this is this. So I cannot combine. So let me bring this back. I have 10x minus 6y equals 74. Now the coefficient of y is the same. Okay, so I can now eliminate that. So what I do? Let me add together, okay, because of minus. So when I add the equation 2 to equation 1, so here I'll be having 19x, this is still minus, so this one is out of it, so that is 0, okay, equals, so when I add this together, I have 21 plus 74, I have here 95, okay, so I can determine the value of x now, which is x equals 95 over 19, that should give us 5. So for x to be 5, okay, for x equals to 5, I can now get my y, taking x back to any of the original equation. Okay, so how do I do that? So let us use equation 1. We have, since we are substituting x to be 5 in equation 1, okay, we can use any of the equation, we still have our results. So let's take this. We have 3x plus 2y equals to 7. Okay, so for x equals 5, we have 3 into 5 plus 2y equals to 7. So since we are determining y, we have to multiply this to be 15 plus 2y equals to 7. Okay, so from here we can collect the like times. We have 2y equals 7 minus 15. Okay, which is 7 minus 15, that is minus 8. Okay, when we divide it by 2, we have y to be minus 4. So if x is 5, y is minus 4. So we can check the value of this in the end of this equation to confirm our answers. So when I say check, okay, so let me use the second equation in this case. I have 5x minus 3y equals to 37. So when I substitute the value of x, which is 5, I have that 5 times 5, 25, minus the value of y, which is minus 4. So minus 3 times minus 4. Okay, so this gives us 25. Minus and minus is plus. 3 times 4 is 12. When we add this together, we have 37. So this is how we solve simultaneous equation using elimination method. Thank you very much.